Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. The lively model of The Addams Family simply arrived in theaters the remaining year, however with a field workplace haul over $203 million on finance of simply $23 million. MGM has wasted no time in getting a sequel off the ground. The Addams Family 2 has been formally introduced to reach simply in the time for Halloween in 2021. However, one member of the unique voice forged won't be returning, and a brand new forged member with an excellent array of voices has come on board. The Addams Family 2 has become introduced with this little teaser trailer, however the professional press launch accompanying it did not have any tail details. It simply generically says that the Addams circle of relatives gets twisted up in wacky adventures and locate themselves concerned in hilarious run-ins with all types of unsuspected characters. Oh, and also, they live genuine to themselves through bringing their iconic spookiness and kookiness anywhere they cross. They are creepy and whimsical after all. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Charlize Theron, Morticia, Oscar Isaac Gomez, Chloe Grace Moretz, Wednesday, Nick Kroll, Fester, Bette Midler, Grandma and Snoop Dogg It are all reprising their roles from the unique film, and you may see Fester and Wednesday stepping into a few cool animated film shenanigans related to Hot Place and a group of Octopus Inc. with inside the teaser above. However, one cast member from the unique film won't be returning. Finn Wolfhard, Stranger Things, voiced Wednesday's brother, Pugsley with inside the first film. However, he's now no longer being changed into Javon, Warner Walton Utopia. Either Wolfhard's puberty ultimately stuck up together along with his voice, and he cannot play the more youthful Pugsley or his position in Ghostbusters. Afterlife made him an extensively extra high-priced forged member. There's additionally a brand new cast member becoming a member of the sequels, with Bill Hader taking the position of a brand new individual named Cyrus. This does not seem like an individual stimulated through the Addams Family comedian strip or TV series, so we won't realize whatever approximately him. But having Hader, the voice, the individual is all we want to realize for you to be interested. Here's hoping the relaxation of the voice forged does not simply smartphone it in as they did with inside the first film. Nick Kroll is the handiest one, setting any actual attempt into his overall performance as Uncle Fester, and it shows. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.